Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue that can really throw a wrench in your Android experience: how to reinstall the Google Play Store in 2025. Whether you've accidentally messed with your device settings, rooted your phone, or it's just vanished after an update gone wrong, don't worry. I've got you covered with a simple, step-by-step guide. This process is straightforward, but remember, it's always smart to back up your data first to avoid any surprises. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to ensure your device is in developer mode. Go to your phone's settings, scroll down to About Phone, and tap on build number 7 times. This will unlock developer options. Once that's done, head back to settings and find developer options. Enable USB debugging here. This allows your computer to communicate with your device. Next, you'll need to download and install the Android Debug Bridge, ADB, on your computer. Head over to the official Android developer website, grab the SDK platform tools, and set it up. It's free and quick. Now, connect your Android device to your computer via USB. On your computer, open a command prompt or terminal window, navigate to the ADB folder, and type ADB devices to check if your phone is recognized. If it shows up, great, let's proceed. To reinstall the Google Play Store, you'll need the APK file. Download a safe, verified version from a trusted source like APK Pure or directly from Google's archives if available. Once you have it, use the command adb install /playstore.apk. If that doesn't work, you might need to push it to the system partition with adb push /playstore.apk, system, priv app. Be cautious here, root access might be required, so if your device is rooted, use an app like Titanium Backup to restore it. If you're still having trouble, try clearing the cache for the Google Play Services app in your settings under Apps. As a last resort, a factory reset could fix things, but that means wiping your data, so only do this if absolutely necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully reinstalled the Google Play Store. Give your device a restart, and you should be good to go. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.